Hey y'all, hope you're having a great day. Gonna bring you along for a little Bible reading. Hope you come along or take it up later and read them. So Proverbs chapter 11. A false balance is abomination to the Lord, but a just weight is his delight. When pride cometh, then comes shame, but with the lowly is wisdom. The integrity of the upright shall guide them, but the perverseness of transgressors shall destroy them. Riches profit not in the day of wrath, but righteousness delivers from death. The righteousness of the perfect shall direct his way, but the wicked shall fall by his own wickedness. The righteousness of the upright shall deliver them, but transgressors shall be taken in their own naughtiness. When a wicked man dieth, his expectation shall perish, but the hope of the unjust men perish, and the hope of unjust men perisheth. The righteous is delivered out of trouble, and the wicked comes in his stead. A hypocrite with his mouth destroys his neighbor, but through knowledge shall the just be delivered. When it goeth well with the righteous, the city rejoices, and when the wicked perish, there is shouting. By the blessing of the upright the city is exalted, but it is overthrown by the mouth of the wicked. He that is void of wisdom despises his neighbor, but a man of understanding holds his peace. A talebearer reveals secrets, but he that is of a faithful spirit conceals the matter. Where no counsel is, the people fall, but in the multitude of counselors there is safety. He that is surety for a stranger shall smart for it, or another word for that would be sore broken for it. And he that hateth suretyship is sure. A gracious woman retains honor, and strong men retain riches. I'm gonna read that one again because I like to go back, especially when I'm done. I go back, I reread through all of it, and it just really helps me think, gets my brain going, helps me get in a process of prayer as well. And so chapter 11 verse 16 again. A gracious woman retains honor, and strong men retain riches. The merciful man doeth good to his own soul, but he that is cruel troubles his own flesh. The wicked worketh a deceitful work, but to him that sows righteousness shall be a sure reward. As righteousness tends to life, so he that pursues evil pursues it to his own death. They that are of a froward or perverse heart are abomination to the Lord, but such as are upright in their way are his delight. Though hand join in hand, the wicked shall not be unpunished, but the seed of the righteous shall be delivered. As a jewel of gold in a swine's snout, so is a fair woman which is without discretion. The desire of the righteous is only good, but the expectation of the wicked is wrath. There is that scatters and yet increases, and there is that withholds more than is meet, but it tends to poverty. The liberal soul shall be made fat, and he that waters shall be watered also himself. And he that withholds corn, the people shall curse him, but blessing shall be upon the head of him that sells it. He that diligently seeks good procureth favor, but he that seeks mischief, it is come unto him. He that trusts in his riches shall fall, but the righteous shall flourish as a branch. I'm going to reread that, number 28 here. He that trusts in his riches shall fall, but the righteous shall flourish as a branch. He that troubles his own house shall inherit the wind, and the fool shall be servant to the wise of heart. The fruit of the righteous is a tree of life, and he that wins souls is wise. Behold, the righteous shall be recommenced in the earth, much more the wicked and the sinner. So I'm going to go back to a line here, number 17. I reread 16. I'm going back to 17. The merciful man doeth good to his own soul, but he that is cruel troubleth his own flesh. I just love reading through God's Word. It makes me think so much. And I really hope it gets you thinking and gets you praying and gets you into the Word. And I hope that God can run in your life and just change things, for the better. And I'm very thankful that you guys have taken to this as well, and I'm very appreciative for you. So God bless y'all, and I hope you have a good day.
Family, we got the baby sleeping. We are making breakfast over here.
Hey y'all, Mark here.
And Martha.
And welcome to the Sharp
family.
In today's video, we're going to be showing you what the last week has looked like for us.
Alright y'all, enjoy the video. If you're new here, hello, welcome to the Sharp family. We are a family of 4. We have a dog named Blue. We live in a 1975 double-wide mobile home that was gifted to us last year, but needed a lot of work. So we've been working on it ever since. We created this YouTube channel to document the journey and just to share our simple life and to have memories to look back at, to be honest. But be sure to check out our old videos to see how far we have came with this trailer.
We had a lot to do this week. We had a couple of appointments. Martha she's had a toothache since probably about at least midway through her pregnancy, and it turns out it was her wisdom tooth got chipped and then started getting infected, and so she went and got that done and got the tooth pulled. She's feeling a lot better now. The recovery was easy because she was used to so much pain there for a while with the tooth.
Checkup.
But God willing, it turned out well.
Where we're just waiting. She got her measurements and she's doing so well. Jamila. Ezekiel with his boots. Doesn't know what's coming.
That's right, the poor girl.
4 shots, possibly.
Yeah, she's not gonna like it.
She really don't know what's coming for her right now. But
Zeke over here messing with the chair. Healthy baby. Yeah, beautiful.
Yeah.
Oh, little brother loves her.
You're not gonna see this happy face. Oh. On my way to go get my nails done because they need it. I took the fake nails out, so I'm gonna be getting a dip powder because I'm trying to let my natural nails heal from all the damage I made them go through. And yeah, so I'm on my way there now. Appointment is at 10. It's 9:40. Make it. But yeah, see ya. You're gonna transform these, right? Mm-hmm. Okay.
Well, it's mowing season, y'all. Had to whip out the mower again. Started right up. Got this old mower. It's probably from the 80s. It's still running good. Cuts it good. You can adjust the height so it's all one height. But it really makes the yard look good. Our grass is pretty dead right here for now, but it's going to shape up here soon. We get some moisture in there. Time to trim up this mop I got on my head here. Martha always cuts my hair. She does a good job.
and I wouldn't miss a thing. I would keep you safe while you were dreaming. You could scream and shout, cry 1,000 tears, and I wouldn't let fear win. What you feel, I feel. Together we're healing. I don't care that seasons change. 'Cause darling, I'll stay right here with you. Every night and every day. 'Cause darling, there's nothing in this world I'd rather do. Never been this close to heaven. Never felt something just like this. Ecstasy. Never been this close to heaven. I don't know if this is real or fantasy, or somewhere in between, or somewhere in between. Oh yeah. Oh my God, what a time to be in love. Oh my God, if forever is not enough. Oh my God, what a time to be in love. Oh my, oh my, oh my God. Never been this close to heaven. Never felt something just like this. Ecstasy. Never been this close to heaven. I don't know if this is real or fantasy, or somewhere in between. Somewhere in between. Oh yeah.
On this day, I was on auntie duty. The girls came over and had a sleepover. They had so much fun. They wanted to have a sleepover again. So we might do that again. Ezekiel enjoyed the girls' company. He was so happy.
Reindeer. Now if I do it like this, it's Blue Boy. Good job.
Making these kids some pancakes.
We just have to stop because the red light.
Ezekiel, eat your food.
You can say no, you. Ezekiel say Ezekiel eat it good.
You want to be picked up? Okay, Mom.
I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Right there. I'm gonna get Ezekiel.
It's time for Ezekiel's checkup. It's Ezekiel's checkup. Say hey, Sissy. Aww.
Worked just a second ago, but now he's not doing it again. I know, I have to touch your bud. Are those your boots over there? You have boots? Alright, let's check your ears out. Pull your ears out.
Ezekiel. His appointment went well. He's growing. Such a big boy, smart.
That's right. Almost 30 pounds. On the road again.
Yep, Ezekiel. Oh, and he got a shot too.
Yeah, his last shot until he's 2.
Yep. So
He did
my
good.
baby did really good.
He took it good though.
Like a champ. Jamila. Zora Jamila. My strong baby. My strong baby. Look at her. Hi, Mama. Hey, Mama. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Oh, no. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Beautiful morning. I'm heading to the gym. This is day 6 at the gym, so y'all pray for me. It's gonna be ab workout today and a bit of leg workout. It's gonna kill me, but I'm sticking to it. I'm trying to do this for the long run. I'm trying to lose at least 50 pounds within 6 months, so we'll see. We'll see. Dance, Zeke. Go, Zeke.
Last night, I had a dream of us coming together. Last night, in my dream,
Here I am making
saw
a quick
unity.
meal. I'm making a stir fry of broccoli and cabbage together, and we're eating it with rice and some chicken breasts we had in the refrigerator. So, leftovers and a new dish.
East to the west and south to the north, people were living in peace, seeing the eyes of justice everywhere. Every land was thriving with love and prosperity. And I woke up asking myself, oh, I woke up asking myself, why can't we achieve a sustainable peace? Why can't we have a sustainable future? Why can't we achieve a sustainable peace? Why can't we have a sustainable future? Why can't we? Last night, I dreamt of an end to poverty.
Zora,
All nations were growing, all nations stood strong. Smiles of understanding between one another. Politics and music
got a good grip of it.
belong to the people again. Equal rights spread among all shapes and colors. People were building a beautiful and stable home.
You are so
Last
strong,
night,
Mama.
in my dream I saw humanity, and I woke up asking myself, oh, I woke up asking myself, why can't we achieve a sustainable peace? Why can't we have a sustainable future? Why can't we achieve a sustainable peace? Why can't we have a sustainable future?
Oh my goodness, you rolled over! You rolled over! Zora rolled over!
We don't belong here. I want more out of life. The longer we stay here, our boots get stuck in the mud. Let's pack up a life, baby, and call it a night. 'Cause the longer we stay here, the harder the fight. I said, hey, yeah, 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 call it a start by leaving behind what's breaking our hearts. I said, hey, yeah, 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 follow the spark. Ain't nothing but a one way. We won't regret this. Let's kiss the past goodbye. I'm longing to live this free life I've been hearing about. You will see us howling like wolves in the night.
All right, my love.
'Cause nothing's stronger
What
than
the-
wanting what you might
Oh
get.
my God.
I said, hey, yeah, 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 call it a start by leaving behind what's breaking our hearts. I said, hey, yeah, 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 follow the spark. Ain't nothing but a one way. ain't no worries. Don't you worry about a thing. Oh, 'cause as long as we're together, home can be a million different things.
So some of you may not know, we stored all of those wood you see over there by the washer and dryer all in Ezekiel's room. But lately we've been working on clearing everything and setting up his room right. So we took all of that wood out, and now we're gonna place them all by that window over there. So it's out of our way, and you know, just easier access to it as well. So after all of that, the video wasn't recording when Mark was moving all that to that wall. So you guys are getting a little glimpse of the ending. Sorry.
We don't belong here. I want more out of life. The longer we stay here, our boots get stuck in the mud.
He's gonna help me too. You say 2. You say 2, 3, 4. Can we get orange? Good job. What about yellow? Good job. Can we get another yellow? Nope, that's orange. Can we do another yellow? Good job. That's it. All done. All done. Now let's wash it. Ezekiel, wash. Good job. Keep washing it.
Blinking, you were beautiful, just like a flower. I could walk with you for 1,000,000 miles, and my feet would not get tired. Where you go, I'll go, winter or summer. I don't care the seasons change, 'cause darling, I'll stay right here with you.
On this day, y'all, we was having spaghetti and meatballs. We already had the meat seasoned and ready to go, so here I am just putting everything together. So I ended up making a lot of it, so I went ahead and gave some to my brothers, and we had a little bit of leftover.
Never felt time to be in love. Oh my God, if forever is not enough. Oh my God, what a time to be in love. Oh my, oh my, oh my God. Never been this close to heaven. Never felt something just like this. Ecstasy. Never been this close to heaven. I don't know if this is real or fantasy, or somewhere in between. Somewhere in between. Oh yeah. Maybe I was blind, known you forever while I tried to find someone that could be my great love. Right in front of me, I didn't realize you were my dream. So you took me by surprise. Oh yeah. Even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah. When I give you every part of me, I can't believe this is reality. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah. I'm just curious, when did you know you had feelings for me? Maybe somehow we've always known that we have chemistry, but always chasing after someone else. So this took me by surprise. Oh yeah. Even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah. Wanna give you every part of me. I can't believe this is reality. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah. Even in my wildest dreams, even in my wildest dreams. Oh yeah. Even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah. Wanna give you every part of me. I can't believe this is reality. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah.
Here Martha's getting the water ready for the plants. We use banana water a lot. Just whenever we have bananas, we soak them in water for a few days and then we water them with that. And it gives it extra nutrients that it wouldn't normally get. It seems to be doing them good. She's mixing up the soil here, make sure it's all good before she waters it. Helps with gnats too if you mix up the soil. And one of our viewers had mentioned that we should put cinnamon down on the soil so that when we water it, it goes down into the soil, and that's supposed to help with the gnats. And so we've been doing that for probably about 3 weeks now, 4 weeks, and it has worked. It made a big difference. We're sure appreciative for that. This plant here, this tree, this is growing pretty good. A lot of new growth on it. We got a start going here in water. It's been taking off really well. Right next to the tree there, we got a little lemon leaf. The lemon flower we just planted from seed. We started it germinating in water with in between a paper towel, and just took it into the sunlight, and then at night we put it under a light, and it started growing really well. So we planted it in here, and we're letting it grow a little bit, get some roots, and then we're going to replant it into its own pot. And so that should be interesting.
Alright, yeah, do apologize for taking forever to upload a video. We've been having problems with our phone carrier. I don't know if you guys are experiencing it too, but they've been having network problems. But yeah, anyways, we're back, and I hope you guys enjoyed this long video. And I apologize, guys, if I sound down. I'm just really sick. I'm sicker than a dog right now. So I'm going to go ahead and let Mark take over the video. Alright, appreciate and love you guys.
Alright, y'all, that's going to be it for today's video. I got to take over the ending. Martha's a little under the weather, so God willing, she'll be better here within the next day or two. And just really want to thank you guys for making it this far through the video. We know it's a long one, probably our longest one yet. And thank you to the new subscribers that came on. We appreciate you guys coming and checking the family out and our videos. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for us. We appreciate that as well. And then if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. And as always, be safe, stay sharp, and God bless.